Bill Goudy and Lucy Lou checking in. We're under a weather alert. Going to be blowing and drifting snow. They're saying up to 4, maybe 5 inches in some areas until tomorrow. Dick Bartley's on tonight. Got some Mississippi mud going. You got to check this out. I've been busy. Been working on I got a wood-fired sauna. I got a place to go to sweat when the weather's like this and I can't get out and do any chores. I can go and get in the sauna. Check this out. Some of you may recall when I was living off the grid, I'd built a heat source that I could have a wood fire to heat my truck camper when I had it off the truck. Well, that's what that is. Well, I've made an addition. This is my off-grid sauna. There's no power out here, just a wood stove, a barrel stove that I used to heat the camper with. And yeah, it's got some leaks in it because I'm just now under construction. But it works. It's, I don't know, it's 6 foot by 8 foot tall, 6 foot wide by, I think it's, well, that's 48 inches right to there. So what, 55 inches, 50 some inches anyway. I can't remember. But this thermometer, right now it's 32 degrees in here and it's 14 outside. This thermometer pegs out at 122 degrees. And you can see I got air coming in. I brought my carbon monoxide detector out here. Didn't even register anything. There's so much air leak in here now. I'm going to seal this up and I'm going to bring that carbon monoxide detector back out here. But I plan on drawing outside air in through that. I don't know if you can see it here. Lucy's in the way, but there's a hole down there, a 2-inch hole threaded. And I plan on having that go right out to the outside. And then I have a damper, but it works. And it is so nice. This way I can work up a sweat every day, whether I'm working out or not. And I plan on putting some windows in so I can look out and see the river or any other wildlife. But right now it's just a little closet. And I got some water out here, so yeah, I keep my extra water that I'm hauling in, keep it from freezing. Although it's 32 in here right now, but as soon as that stove catches, well, it'll be plenty warm. Some of the other things I can do, I like to watch the birds and the squirrels and the rabbits, yeah, but mostly the birds. I see them the most. Check this out. I got a nice flock of cardinals. I sure do. Males and females. They are beauties. Let that steam clear. That is Mississippi mud, but with a few extras in it. Mississippi mud is really very easy to make. It's got peppers. Oh, look at that roast. That roast is falling apart. Steamy goodness. I've been working hard all day I put this in the crock pot this morning about, I don't know, 10:30, 11 o'clock. And I added celery and onions. This has got, look how tender that is. Just look how tender. This has got mushrooms. I added mushrooms and ranch, a packet of ranch dressing in this. And these are those Greek peppers. And I like to add just a little extra, like these down underneath here. You can see there's celery down here. And I'm anxious to give this a try. Just to get me a little bite of that. See if that's any good. Oh, tender. You know what that is? That is a whole clove of garlic. You want to talk about melting your mouth. Let me try one more thing. Let me see if I can make this meal complete. Because I had a couple other meals and I've been called out on the fact that I wasn't using Texas Pete on all of them. Well, I don't always use Texas Pete on everything, but hey, let's give this a try. Carolina Chris would be proud of me. Carolina Chris and Calvin's Corner and Rex, Texas Lone Star Rider. They all sent me Texas Pete before I could get it. Let's see if that makes any difference. These peppers have a little kick. Wow. Texas Pete sure doesn't hurt it any. You get the tomato-y flavor. Man, that's good. I'm hungry. Gotta have my Zevia. This is the caffeine free. They got it at one of the stores up in Burlington. Oh, I can get it's cola, but it's got no. It's all natural. It's not dark like a regular cola. It's like 7-Up. If I poured it in a glass, it'd be clear. Bubbly water. Listen, I'm hungry. Gotta go. Good Goudy out for now.